Hello, this is Pamela and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Well, today's video is WIP Caddy Wednesday. That is works in progress. And I get to showcase all the beautiful things that you guys are working on for the ones of you who submit in Facebook group page or you email me. So just grab you a cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, grab you something to eat, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old crochet talk. This is the cup I'm using today. And then here's the other side. Anyways, just good old black coffee. It's so good. All right, guys. So what I'm working on real quick is for you guys that were wanting to see my washcloth tutorial. Guess what? I'm working on it. I'm working on the tutorial for you guys and for the hanging dish towel for you guys. So you will have a matching set. So I'm very excited about that, and I'm loving the feedback for you guys that are patiently waiting for me to get this uploaded. But I'll tell you what happened, why I didn't get it uploaded. I got sidetracked because I did a pillow. So I created this pillow for spring and summer. Here's the back side. And I've been wanting to do a little cute granny square pillow. So this is the one I came up with. The tutorial is done. All I've got to do is just get it edited. So hopefully this will go out by Thursday or Friday. One of the two. It just depends. Today is my birthday. So I'm not sure how much I will get edited. But hey, I did get it filmed. So that's the biggest thing, is getting it recorded. And I figured it may be more on Friday. But we'll see. But there it is. So if you're looking for a spring pillow, guys, this is it. And you can choose your own colors. You know that. I just wanted something summery, springy, you know. And so this is it. And I have a blanket that's going to go with this. You know, I have to have matchy-matchy, right? All right. So if you're interested in this, this is a 16 by 12. So buy you a pillow form, 16 by 12. A lot of times you can go to Michael's and use their 50% off coupon that they have every now and then. And then I think Joann's, no, Hobby Lobby, I think sometimes, well, Joann's does too. Forgot about that. And then Hobby Lobby sometimes, I think, I don't know if they still do that anymore. Maybe they run theirs every other week. I can't keep up with all of them. But anyway, if you do your research, you can get these pillow forms half price or 40% off at most places. So anyway, and I just used medium 4-weight yarn. It's all big twist yarn. All right, so the other thing I want to remind you is we have 2 tutorials out there, stitch tutorials. This is the herringbone half double crochet, and we have the spider stitch. So go to my crochet stitch playlist, and you will find these right here. And Doreen, I have to show a picture of her. She already created a washcloth in one of these stitches. So Doreen, it was just beautiful. All right, so the next thing I want to show you guys, oh yeah, here's the pillow form. Just to make sure it's 16 by 12. Yeah, 12 inch by 16 inch premium pillow form. It was loops and thread where I got this at Michael's. Okay, so for my birthday, my daughter got me a couple of gifts, a few gifts. And thank you, Jennifer, by the way. This is one of the things that she bought me. And I thought it was so cool. So excited over this. Here's the way it comes in the box. Right here. And so what this is, it's a sunflower frame. Look at that, guys. Isn't that cool? I've never even thought of doing anything like that. So thank you, Jennifer. I'm going to love this. There's stuffing. There's a card. And it comes with, I'm not sure where she got this kit, guys. But it comes with all this stuff right here. It looks like even a glue stick, stitch markers. Look at that. Even a yarn hook. And here's the yarns right there. And then here is the frame right here. the shadow box. Here's the back side. You can sit it up like this, or you can hang it. So I think that's pretty cool. So thank you, Jennifer, for that. Oh, and you know how I love my Ipsy makeup and stuff. Well, I finally got to start my subscription back again, my monthly subscription, and now they come in a box. So you don't get the little drawstring bag anymore. But if you got where you get the 5, what do they call that, sample sizes, you still get that really cool zip bag. That's always nice. But here are like my products that I got in there. And I'll show you real quick. I'll make this fast. This is some eyeshadow. Here it is. Isn't that beautiful? I just love that. And there it is. So my sister Tanya, she also started her back as well. And so she got a few things, a little different than mine. And then it came with this styling cream. And we are trading this. She's got something that I want, and she wants that. So she's getting that. Liquid Cosmic Blush. And what is this? Skin Renewal Day Cream. I do want that. And then I believe this one, oh yeah, this is black and brown eyeliner. And I do want this as well. So you get 2 in here. That's really cool. And then I took... And they have what they call add-ons, and I bought a couple of add-ons, but one of them was a blow dryer, a blowout type blow dryer, where it's the brush. And so I've been using that. I really like that. Anyway, I'll leave the link for that. I don't, if anyone purchases, I get like points. So I don't get any money or anything, but I get points, and the points add up. So eventually I'll get like, can use them for products. Anyway, so I want to show that to you guys because I love my Ipsy, and I've been showing that off for a few years now, up until this past year. And so I wanted to get back to doing that again. All right, let's see. Okay, so that's what I have on my hook as of right now, is working on the dishcloth, yes, and the dish towel for you guys. I've got the pillow finished, like I said, and it's about ready to go. And so I'll work on those too. So let's go ahead and see what you guys are working on. Okay, so here we have my sister Tanya, and this is her WIP cart. She says that she has a couple things going on, that on the bottom shelf she really needs to put the project together, but in the meantime she's still working on it. The second shelf's almost done, making her granddaughter Madison an Afghan in her favorite colors. It's corner to corner. The colors are a big twist, and deep red, red heart is black. The top shelf is her next project to get started on. She said hopefully this evening. She said don't forget your peanut butter toasted cracker snack. As you can see, I have switched to munchies. Talk about delicious. Have a wonderful rest of the week. All right, Tanya, you have a wonderful week too. And thank you for sharing with us. Okay, here we have Maggie's. And oh my gosh, look at all the beautiful bunnies. And I see one of those little granny things that I have, and it looks awesome. She says that she's working on some Easter bunnies for her grandchildren, and she's using Premier Just Chanel from the Dollar Tree. She said she made up the pattern for the bunnies. Well, you did a wonderful job making up that pattern. Thank you, Maggie, so much for sharing with us. I need to get started on my bunnies for my grandkids. Okay, here we have Doreen's. Now, Doreen is working on 2 projects here, 2 blankets, and they're both using the wattle stitch. She says that the teal and linen blanket will be a striped pattern, and the bottom blanket will be a set of blocks for each color. 2 blankets, same stitch, but 2 different design layouts. Well, thank you, Doreen, for sharing those with us. It looks like they're going to be beautiful. Okay, here we have Patsy's beautiful projects. She says she's still working on these 2 blankets. She still hasn't made her doll an Easter outfit, but she did get the large blanket done for her great-granddaughter who is due in June, and for everyone to have a blessed week. Well, you have a blessed week too, Patsy, and everything is just looking so beautiful. All right, guys, thank you so much for sharing with us and for inspiring us. Okay, now let's go ahead and read our By Still Waters. It says, you are mine. There is no fear in love, but perfect love drives out fear, because fear has to do with punishment. The one who fears is not made perfect in love. 1 John 4:18. It usually happens like this. It's about 3 a.m. and you wake up with a start. Maybe from a stomach cramp, a dog's bark, a bad dream. The room is still dark and you need to get back to sleep. The problem is your brain is now working overtime and fear comes calling with 1,000 dreadful possibilities. A layoff at work, the same cancer your father had, a sin revisited, a friend's betrayal, the sudden death of a beloved relative. It's all just too much. At the height of your terror, you cry out to Jesus. In one supernatural moment, you remember whom you belong to. You can hear that heavenly whisper, "You are mine." Yes, you are in a relationship with the one who knows unspeakable suffering. He understands all the things that terrorize you in the darkest of nights. And he is the only one capable of cooling your feverish brow. And so the night lightens with love, Christ's love for you. And that love is brighter and warmer than 1,000 stars and more than enough to extinguish those night terrors. Yes, he is right there, embracing you with his perfect love. Lord, thank you for helping me back to sleep when my spirit becomes riddled with fear. Amen. Wow, that is really good. So I hope you guys enjoy that. Well, guys, that's all that I have for this video. I'm fixing to go out and celebrate my birthday. I'm going to what they call, I think it's called the Capitol here in Little Rock. I'm fixing to go there for lunch with my hubby. He's taking me. Then we have church tonight, so I'll go to that. And then I think he said that we may be having a little party for me Thursday night. So, you know, sounds like a lot of fun going on, right? Anyway, so I'm going to try to squeeze in these tutorials and things, you know, in between life, enjoying life, because, you know, I want to have the most fun that I can in life and get the most out of it. So anyway, that's all I have for this video, guys. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.